seems almost like Dr. Victor Potenciano was born into the business, as his father, Dr. Conrado Potenciano, a pharmacologist and herbalist, ran a pharmacy and clinic in Santa Mesa, Manila. An exceptional internist, Dr. Victor Potenciano helped many patients, unknowing that down his path, he would help even more people by opening his own medical establishment. Polymedic started construction in 1967 in the long stretch of Epifanio de los Santos Avenue, or EDSA. Back then, it was still called Highway 54. And in 1973, Dr. Victor R. Potenciano's vision of establishing an institution with excellent yet affordable medical care was realized. Sharing the vision of Dr. Potenciano were the hospital's incorporators: Colonel Pelagio G. Potenciano, MD, Dr. Arsenio G. Francisco, Mrs. Irma P. E. Potenciano, and Dr. Flora P. Caviles. Polymedic General Hospital formally opened its doors and has since housed some of the country's most distinguished medical professionals. Polymedic opened as a tertiary hospital with 150 beds and basic medical, obstetrics, gynecological, surgical, and pediatric services. It simultaneously provided diagnostic and therapeutic services to complement the 4 clinical departments. A training hospital as well, it developed a good residency training program for the different clinical departments, which were accredited by specialty societies, thus producing the finest doctors in their specializations. The hospital also accommodated paramedical and nursing training programs for schools and universities. The hospital got the interest and trust of many patients with its good facilities, its roster of the Campanilla doctors, hardworking nurses, and non-medical staff that relentlessly worked day and night to keep the patient satisfied. With the passing of Dr. Potenciano in 1984, the seat of the medical director was passed on to Dr. Alendri P. Caviles Jr. It was then turned over to Dr. Conrado Dairit. The position is now held by Dr. Martin de la Rosa II. From a humble hospital along the stretch of EDSA, Polymedic gradually became a trusted name in healthcare. In February 1998, as Polymedic celebrated its 25th anniversary, it was reintroduced as the Victor R. Potenciano Medical Center, appropriately renaming the hospital after its founder and prime mover. With the new name came new facilities, specialty centers such as the Heart Station and Cardiac Rehabilitation Center, Women's Health Center, KT Clinic, Eye Care, Respiratory Care, Ear Care, Breast Clinic, Dialysis and Endoscopy Centers were added to the hospital's amenities. In 2001, VRP Medical Center acquired the ISO 9001 certification, becoming the first hospital in Metro Manila to receive the international recognition. In the same year, the 5-level modern-looking Physician Center was inaugurated. The new building houses the doctor's clinics and specialty centers such as the pharmacy, emergency room, physical medicine, and rehabilitation department. In 2005, VRP Medical Center opened its own oncology center, which offers affordable treatments in a unique spa-like ambiance. The hospital is committed to quality medical care. The continuous support of VRP Medical Center's valued patients is a testament to this promise.
Na-refer ako ni Dr. Antonio Tan kasi lagi sumasakit yung likod ko, yung balakang ko, tsaka yung tuhod ko. Sinabi niya sa akin na mga ang gamit dito ay mahusay, tsaka yung mga therapist dito mababait, lahat ng pasilidad dito maayos. Sa tagal ng aking therapy dito, nakaramdam ako ng ginhawa. Sa ngayon, ang pagbalik-balik ko rito parang maintenance ko na lang para maiwasan yung mga sakit na nararamdaman ko noon.
Since I was still young, dito na talaga ako sa Polymedic. Polymedic pa nga yung name niya, dito na ako nagpapakonfine. Madalas ako makonfine noon dahil nag-dengue o yung typhoid, ganyan. And until now, na VRP MC na nga siya and I gave birth. I still choose Polymedic as hospital para kasi wala akong masabi sa services. Sobrang asikas.
Over 1,000 medical professionals have worked in VRP Medical Center, developed from promising interns and trainees to some of the best in the industry.
This institution carries in its roster highly qualified doctors. And in fact, proof of this is that a lot of our doctors here become leaders in their own specialty societies. Aside from the highly qualified doctors, this is a tertiary hospital. But even if we are a tertiary hospital, we are still very fairly priced as compared with the other institutions around. Of course, we present a clean, a homely environment to our patients, which I think is very, very important, especially so with our sick patients. No? Everyone you see working in this institution, which make up the VRP Medical Center family, each and everyone exerts efforts to give a caring environment to all our patients. I think this is very, very important, and this assures that our patients would come back to this hospital.
There is a stronger motivation for VRP Medical Center to continue serving people with relentless compassion as it carries on with its mission.
In recognition of our valued customers and our patients' overwhelming trust, we at VRP Medical Center are sincerely grateful to those who have always believed in us and in our noble intentions. VRP Medical Center was my father's greatest achievement. Deeply rooted in the sheer dedication and extreme desire to serve and help people, he believed that serving those in need does not require a huge price tag to realize its real essence, but the self-fulfillment you gain from providing quality service.
From the founder's gallant vision to a nationally and internationally recognized medical institution trusted by thousands of patients. VRP Medical Center, committed to give you the best because we care.